Alright, we're just going to look at differentiating trig functions. Alright, so we'll start off, we've got the derivative of sine x. So the derivative of sine x, sine will go to cos x. Cos will go to minus sine x. And tan x, tan will go to sec squared x. Now, if we just write the general rule, and we had sine of f of x, then the derivative of this is sine of f of x, but then you have to times by the f dash x. So on the formula sheet, it's f dash x sine f of x, cos of f of x, y dash will equal minus sine f of x, but then you've got to times the derivative. So y dash would be minus f dash x sine f of x. And for the tan one, y equals tan of f of x. So y dash would be, I'll put the f dash x first, sec squared of f of x. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to use these rules to differentiate each of the functions. I photocopied the one, I just put that there, that's the formula, it's on the formula sheet. So if you're going to differentiate, say y equals sine of 4x, then y dash will be, so sine will go to cos 4x, and then times the derivative, which is 4. So the derivative of 4x is just 4. So it's 4 cos 4x. Just for a way to remember too, sine, if you go sine, cos, minus sine, minus cos, going around this way is differentiation. So sine will differentiate to cos, cos to sine, minus sine to minus cos, and minus cos to sine. Or you could also do it this way, SC minus S minus C, SC, and that helps you. Sine to cos, cos to minus sine to minus cos to sine to cos, etc. And go just down like that. Okay. So if we had y equals cos 3x squared, then when you're finding the derivative, cos goes to minus sine 3x squared, and then times the derivative of the inside, which is 6x. So it's minus 6x sine 3x squared. So if you have y equals sine cubed 2x, then what you do here is you treat that as a chain rule, like a function to a power. So you take the 3 out. Then when you do the derivative, the 3 comes down the front, take 1 away, so you've got sine 2x squared, but then you've got to times the derivative of what's inside. So the derivative of the inside would be 2 cos 2x, because sine goes to 2x, cos, and then so it's cos 2x, and then times the derivative of the inside of that. So you could then times the 2 and the 3, so you get 6 sine squared 2x cos 2x. Okay, so let's go number 4. So y equals x cos 3x. Alright, so that's a product rule. So u equals x, v equals cos 3x, u dash equals 1, v dash equals minus sine 3x times 3. So it's minus 3 sine 3x. So if you're crossing over here, that's equal to minus 3x sine. I'll do it the way that we always start with that one, with the 1. So 1 times cos 3x, and then plus minus 3 sine 3x times x. So it's cos 3x minus 3x sine 3x. Okay, y equals, now I'm going to do e to the 3x and cos to the 4x squared. Okay, so that's another uv. So u equals e to the 3x, so u dash is 3e to the 3x. v is cos 4x squared, so v dash is minus sine 4x squared times 8x is minus 8x sine 4x squared. So you go this times that for y dash, so it's 3e3x cos 4x squared plus minus 8x e3x sine 4x squared. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to look at y equals ln sine 2x. So differentiating that, it's a log, so it's f dash x on f of x. So on the top we do the derivative of sine 2x. Sine will go to cos 2x times f dash x, so the derivative of 2x, which is 2, and on the bottom we just have sine of 2x. Now sine on cos is cot, so it's going to be cot 2x with a 2 out the front. And if we did y equals ln, and we have cos 2x, then y dash would equal f dash x, so the derivative of that is sine 2x with a minus and a 2, because you've got to times the derivative of the 2x, what's inside, over cos 2x. Now sine on cos is tan, so that's minus tan 2x. Okay, and one more, if we had e to the sine 4x, then the derivative of that, if it was y equals e to the sine, the derivative of that would be, so it's e to the f of x, so you write it, and then you derive the top. So the derivative of sine 4x, sine goes to cos 4x, times the derivative of the 4, which is 4. So it's 4 cos 4x, e to the sine 4x. And maybe just one more. So if I had sine 3x over cos 3x plus sine 3x. So this is a u over v. So u is sine 3x and v, okay, so that's cos 3x plus sine 3x. So u dash is 3 cos 3x and v dash is minus 3 sine 3x plus 3 cos 3x. So we're going to start here. We do u dash times the v. So 3 cos 3x, cos 3x plus sine 3x. And then that one times that one. So minus sine 3x minus 3 sine 3x plus 3 cos 3x all over cos 3x plus sine 3x squared. I'm just going to make some room up the top here. Okay, so just continuing, expanding that, you get 3 cos squared 3x plus 3 cos 3x sine 3x, and then this one times this one, so you get plus 3 sine squared 3x, and then times that one, you get minus 3 sine 3x cos 3x, and it's all over cos 3x plus sine 3x squared. So they go out, and the 3 cos squared plus 3 sine squared is like 3 cos squared plus sine squared is 1. So that's just going to be, that's equal to 1. So it's going to be 3 over cos 3x plus sine 3x, and then square.